Let's take a user account as an example to explain how to use the AI Trainer database website. Enter atrainer.bybuti.net in the browser to access the AI Trainer database page. Enter username Blanitas Beijing and corresponding password to log in. This is the main page of the database. We can see that the table has 3 color zones: black, red, and yellow. The black zone represents the standard values, the red zone shows the actual values, and the yellow zone compares the actual values with the standard values, which we will explain later. Click the drop-down menu in the upper right corner, then click the Modify button to change the account password. Here, we modify the password and save it. Next, we will use the scenario of a cleaner called Bruce cleaning a hospital ward on February 17, 2025, to demonstrate how to use the database. There are 2 views for cleaning data: all sessions and all scenarios. Let's first look at the scenario view. On the main page, click All Scenarios. The end time refers to the time when the cleaner saves the results at the end of evaluation. Enter the time Bruce cleaned the ward on February 17th from 1612 to 1630 and press Search to filter out the corresponding data. There are 3 entries. Click the Info button here to display the image of ward scenario. We can see 3 cleaning facilities, with green indicating the areas that have been cleaned. Click the OK button to exit. Besides the scenario view, let's also look at the session view. Click All Sessions. Input the time Bruce cleaned the ward on February 17th from 1612 to 1630, and click Search to filter out the corresponding data. There are 3 operations in total, each including 3 facilities and 1 scenario summary. So in total, there are 12 data entries. Click the image icon in the scenario row, and we can see the result views of the 3 facilities under the scenario. Press Escape on the keyboard to exit the view. Click the image icon in the facility row to display the cleaning result of each facility's front view. Press Escape to exit the view. Now, let's look at the data in the table. The black zone represents the standard values, such as the standard time for wiping the bed surface is 17 seconds. The red zone shows the actual values, such as Bruce's time for wiping the bed surface is 21 seconds. If the deviation between the actual value and the standard value exceeds 20%, it is considered unqualified. The deviation between 21 seconds and 17 seconds is 23%, so it is unqualified, and we can see the evaluation under time in the yellow area is no. In the mopping process, the actual time is 27 seconds and the standard time is 25 seconds, with a deviation of 8%, which is below 20%, so the evaluation is qualified. In addition to evaluating the cleaning of individual facilities, we can also evaluate the operational sequence of each facility in the cleaning scenario. If the actual sequence is the same as the standard sequence, it shows 1. Otherwise, it shows 0. In the cleaning scenario evaluation column, we see the average scores for each facility under each cleaning criterion. Of course, if you need to apply different weights to each facility and each criterion, you can export the data to Excel format and set the weight coefficients yourself in the Excel sheet. Click the Export Excel button, save it, and then you can process the data as needed.